Polly the Parrot's Amazing Adventures.
Hi, my name is Polly the Parrot.
Every parrot knows that Polly means many.
Here are the 3 words that we're going to be teaching you about: polychrome, polyglot, and polygon.
Now I'm going to tell you about the word polychrome. Polychrome means with many colors.
Next, I'm going to tell you about the word polyglot. That means a person fluent in many languages.
Hello in American. Hola in Spanish. Hello in German.
Ranjitsa in Russian.
Oj in Czech.
Bonjour in French.
Dia Duet in Irish.
Polygon. The last word we're going to tell you about is polygon. Polygon means a shape with 3 or more sides.
Thank you for